Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is Traders Delight. If you are new, this is a place where you will get quality content, and today I bring to you the part 2 of the secret of price chart that we started the previous time. I want you to understand that this secret I'm giving to you are actually they've been there, but most of the time when traders begin to trade, they don't take time to gain knowledge. There are some things that once you study on it, it will improve your trading radically, because there are things that are lying there and you have been ignoring based on the fact that you just start trading and all you want to do is you want to take trades, you want to make profit, and you start blowing accounts. So today I want to dig deeper into the understanding of bar chart. Many a times we like say, what is bar chart and why am I using bar chart? Many of us will just go straight to candlestick chart, but there are tremendous things that you can learn just by using all the other types of chart. And today we are looking at bar chart. The last time I explained to us that bar chart, as you can see, the each line represents a chart. As you can see, especially in the movement of price, because we are on the daily time frame, each of them represents one day. Now, if you look at it, you will see that from what you can see, price has the high, the close, the open, and then the low. The reason why I'm saying that for this, because the candle is a green candle, which is a bullish candle. So if it's a red candle, it will be the other side. But the high and low will remain the same, but the open and close depending on the direction of the candle. All right. So looking at this, you can tell that there's a lot of things you can learn from it. And many a times we look at this and say, what can I do? What can I use this for? Now, when I saw this and I looked critically at bar chart, you know what came to my mind? I assumed it to look, because it is a chart showing the flow of price. So I imagined price to be like water. Just imagine with me now. Imagine price is like water. Now, and imagine the water is flowing up or flowing down. So the water is flowing up or flowing down. Now, for me to properly comprehend it, I begin to look at the bar charts as pipes. Just think with me now, pipes. So for the green pipes, that's the flow of water. So the water started flowing from the open. Sometimes it went down, then later the pressure pushed it up, it flowed upward, and then it flowed out of the close to join with the other pipe. So I consider the flow of the water, which is price, through the pipe, which is the bar chart, and that gives me an idea. So the idea I have now says, okay, if this is my chart, how can I use the bar chart to improve my trading? Now I'm going to do something. Pay attention. I want to share with you a secret. And if you know this secret is going to really revolutionize the way you trade, you can add it to your trading strategy. It's going to really, really help you. Now, this secret is this. Just imagine with me here. Imagine I come to the function and I come to the main chart to add a moving average. Take for example, I had a 20 period moving average, shift 0, method smoothed, apply to close, and then I use this style because of the black background. I use a white background, and then I just add that. Now you can see the moving average is on the charts right now. Now I want to share another angle with you that you have not been looking at before. Let me start from Okay, let's start from here. All right, let's start from here. Now look at this. I told you to imagine these are pipes. So I told myself, I said, well, how do I know the pressure of the water which is price that is flowing through the pipes? So I looked at this candle. So I consider this candle here where the price, so the moving average is like a barrier. I look at it like a barrier. So the barrier can be porous and the barrier can be blocked. If the barrier is blocked, that means price will go the other way around. But if it is porous, price will go through it. So how do I know that this is about to go down on a sell? Now watch this. This is looking at the chart. I'm not using any form of other indicators. I'm not looking at the chart. Added with the moving average, I'm just saying, look at this. Look at the price. Now you can see this green bar, price tries to go up. Now price tries to go up because here is a good flow. Now it goes to this barrier, price closed below the barrier. Now joined another pipe here, price went up above it. Now rather than the price to close higher, very close. Now look at the distance between the high and the close. This distance is high. So which is to say that there is something blocking price from moving here. Now look at this. Price move upward in this next one and yet opened here and see where price closed. Price closed still on that barrier. You can see the distance between the high and the close. Now this is where the difference comes in. Pay attention. So you see price opens above the barrier, and when price was going to close, see the distance between the low and the close. It's almost as if they're in the same spot. That's when I know that there's a downward pressure of price through this pipe. So I know that at this point, at the end of this pipe, I can place my trade here. Just pay attention. If I put in my trade here and I enter here, look at this, see, and I take my stop loss to be here, then I can take price to here. Now if I look at how many number of pips are here, this is 157. Let's consider what is here. You see, I will take my 1:3 conveniently. 157, this is 328. Conveniently, all because I'm viewing the bar chart like a pipe. I'm viewing price like water that can be pumped upward or pumped downward, and I'm viewing moving average like a barrier that can be blocked and porous. You can see the power of a bar chart that this is happening. Now let's go to another example of this. I know many of you might look at this and say this is going to be my next trading strategy. There's no problem. You can go about. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this place now. Price, this red candle shows that price tried to flow downward below the barrier, but it could not close below the barrier, which shows that something is blocked here. But I will not take that for it. But later on, I see price flow upward. Now from here, price opens above the barrier, which is the moving average, try to flow downward, but later price closed above. Now you can see the high and the close of price so close together. Because they are so close together, I know that there's a higher pumping pressure upward. Remember I told you I'm considering it like a water. Now if I now take price and put it here because it was closed, I consider my stop loss to be here. Now I can conveniently take, I'm sure I can take 1:3. Now let's consider what is the number of pips. So this is 82. So when we look at 82, let's see if we can get 1:2 or 1:3. You can see 82, we got more than 1:3. So if I just look at this, looking at price, a bar chart like a pipe, looking at price like like a water flow, and then looking at moving average there like a barrier that can be blocked or that can flow. All right, all on the daily time frame. You can see all I'm beginning to get. Now let's see if we can still apply this here. Look at this. Now price here tries to flow upward. All of a sudden it opens below the barrier, it flowed and up and came to close below the barrier, which is saying that there's a blockage here. So now price opens on this pipe below the barrier, tried to flow up, came back and closed lower than the barrier. Now you see what happens here. You see price here. You can see that the distance between the low and the close is so close as to tell you that there is a very high downward pressure. So we know what you just do. What you just do is this. You'll have taken a cell here and place your stop loss here, and then you can just pick a 1:. Let's consider the 1:2. Let's consider the number of pips. So we see 93. So let's look at if we can get 186. You can see we got up to 200. So got more than 1:2. You can see if you had entered the trade here, you will have been in how many? 90 pips of profit. You will have made much more than what you reached. See how brilliant just understanding bar chart is. You can see I told you these are secrets. I just looked at the bar chart, and based on the understanding of what I've read about it and my perspective about what bar chart is, this can even develop into a trading strategy that you can use, and you will be surprised at what you will get just from using it. So if you got value from this video, please comment in the write in the comment section and let me know what you understand by the video. Like the video, share the video. All right, and if you go to the description section, and if there's anything you need to reach out to me, and then we can take it from there. All right guys, take care. All right, bye.